This guy is not only all over the road, but he then proceeds to run the red light. I have no idea what this genius is doing, but he is just chilling in the turn lane. He was there long after I passed. Not one, but two cars pull into traffic without a care in the world. I guess if I was forced to stay in Denver, suicide by car would be an appealing option for me too. It is the pedal on the right. Green light and a green arrow, but don't fear. Idiot on a scooter thinks they own the place. This one is mind-boggling. I am stopped at the sign saying stop here on red. This fine human not only did not listen, but also stopped right here for some reason. This guy figures that the cop is already occupied, so let's commit back-to-back toll violations in 10 seconds. I really wanted to hit this guy, but I don't have time for the paperwork. This guy sure is in a hurry to wait in the traffic jam. If you are gonna steal a car, at least make sure it is reliable. Interesting place for a U-turn, don't you think? This guy turns and then comes to a complete stop. I almost got rear-ended as a result. Close call here. What on earth is the black car doing? Light is red. Let's make a left turn anyway. This idiot of the week comes to a complete stop because she missed the turn lane. Had to honk twice to get her brain back on track. Another red light renegade. The black truck was mad that I was anticipating having to slow down, so he almost sideswipes me as he cuts me off. The light is green, but you never know if an idiot is amongst us. This guy pulls out and then decides to stop for no reason. Can't make this stuff up. We will give the first car a pass, but this truck has no excuse. I see a lot of oblivious pedestrians, but this one is on another level. Green means go. In any other state, that is. Colorado is colorblind on a whole new level. Let's make a U-turn at a red arrow. This genius is in the wrong lane to go to the east terminal. I knew she'd be stupid, so I avoided this incident. I guess 2 no-turn on red signs is not enough for this guy. Army of red light runners on this one. This guy sure was in a hurry to get into that lane. Not so much to drive when the arrow turned green though. What in the world is this guy doing? And again with this. Green arrow, and not a single car turning. You can't see it on the video, but the car in front of me turns into the opposing lane so that he can hop in the Arby's drive-thru. Hey, they have the meats. There are many things detestable about these assholes, but this is the worst. Quit enabling their illegal activity. You are part of the problem. Another set of back-to-back toll violations. Why do we even have arrows in this state? Another useless red arrow. This person is all over the road and almost swerves into my lane. Another $250 in the bank. I wonder if the trucking company gets the bill for this one. Running a red to stop in traffic is another level of stupid. The light is already yellow, but the guy in the Jeep doesn't care. She is coming out whether you are ready or not. This is a one-way street. Guess the truck is not aware. This has to be the shortest time in the express lane ever recorded. The clip cuts off, but the white car on the left almost hits the barrier and then stops, thinking he will be able to get back on the highway somehow. Why this moron decided to stop instead of pulling into the lot or turning is beyond me.